It never even read all the way hot. She's still steaming. We are working on finishing touches on the paint of the Fit. Kyle and Ashton are repainting Beetlejuice completely. They're turning it into a Halloween themed car. We've got orange and white going on the hood. They're gonna do pumpkins down the side. This car looks awesome in the video. It looks so good. Yeah. Mike's doing ghosts down the side of his car. This is an LL Bean 30R, so this car should be really fast. And it runs mint. So we'll see how this comes out. This is kind of the color it looked like before. Man, what a difference. This car looks faster just being black, to be honest. See how the cars are coming. I see some pumpkins. Think you'll be able to see RS on the track this time. Are you leaving all the leaves in it for extra horsepower? Yes. This girl's been working on stencils for some ghosts. And we're gonna do...
I bet you're surprised I was doing the stencils.
She's always doing stencils. She's our stencil girl. This is why our cars look so good. It's because of her. And he's gonna hit it with fluorescent, so it should pop. 41. Has Mike picked a number yet? Look at this. Okay, it's coming together now, guys. It's coming together. People might have doubted it to begin with, but they're idiots, those doubters. Maymay's on her stoop. All right, car's all done here. Alice said you can't see it on the track. Should be able to see it now. It looks like it's about finished. Hell yeah. Oh, that looks so good. This one's got ghosts. It's gonna need the little sail for on top. Got the all-wheel auto on the side. Got the ghosts. Very spooky. This one's still a full interior car, so, but it's faster, so it's the handicap. So we have a chance. Okay, all the ghosts now have faces. This car looks sharp. Should have been black from the factory. Ooh! That's awesome. You're good. Yep, to the right. Straight. Alright, back up. You're off on this side. Unfortunately, we noticed pink underneath this car as we pulled it out of that. Of course, tranny line. Luckily, I have one on a junk tranny. Alright, we got the bolt out. Now that we're kind of getting this line right here taken out. So that's a 19 mil. Got the clamp on the original clamp broke. Nice and shiny. Everything else under here is solid. I mean, it's crusty, but it's not about to come apart. So we should be good. This is still all new from last time. Okay, 3 of the 5 cars we're bringing are together and ready to go. Everything should be fixed and tightened up well enough to make it through the race. We'll see you guys Saturday. Pits open at 2, races start at 4.